Welcome to Next Gen Nursing Career School. You have reached a significant milestone by completing your nursing education. But as you look toward the NCLEX RN 4-step framework, you can apply to any question on the exam. The key is understanding that the NCLEX is not a traditional academic test of memorization. Instead, it is a verification process designed to ensure you are prepared to practice as a safe entry-level nurse. This means shifting your focus from knowing every possible fact toward demonstrating the specific clinical judgment metrics the NGN requires. To build that judgment, we have to start with your schedule. Binge studying 10 hours a day often leads to fatigue rather than retention. For this exam, consistency is more effective than intensity. We use the 5-1-1 method for weekly organization. This divides your week into 5 days of study and practice, 1 day for revision, and 1 day for light review or rest. Your daily sessions should follow a strict rhythm, 30 to 60 minutes focused on one core topic, immediately followed by 20 to 30 practice questions related to that subject. The most critical step in this process is reading the rationales. Skipping this part removes the most valuable learning opportunity in your study session. Understanding the reasoning behind every answer, whether you got it right or wrong, is what develops the clinical reasoning required for the NGN. The next generation NCLEX centers on one essential skill: clinical judgment. This is the process of making safe decisions based on actual patient data. The NGN evaluates this through a 6-step model. You must recognize cues, analyze them, prioritize your hypotheses, generate solutions, take action, and finally, evaluate the outcomes. Take a patient with shortness of breath and an 88% SpO2. You recognize the low oxygen, analyze it as hypoxia, and prioritize the airway. Your action is to administer oxygen before evaluating the patient's response. Using this step-by-step thinking ensures you are always addressing the most urgent physiological problem first. When you face a complex question, your first task is to isolate the directive words that dictate the required action. Focus on keywords like first, initial, priority, or best. These words tell you exactly what the question is asking. Be careful not to add your own assumptions or outside context that isn't in the prompt. Answer only with the information provided on the screen. This keyword filter prevents overthinking and forces you to stay focused on the specific clinical scenario at hand. Once you understand the question, use the ABC rule: airway, breathing, and circulation to prioritize your choices. In the NCLEX environment, we follow a simplified Maslow's hierarchy, which places physical safety and physiological needs above psychosocial concerns. Start your elimination by crossing out any intervention that is actively unsafe or incorrect based on nursing standards. Next, remove the distractors, those options that might be true statements but do not address the core problem in the question. The remaining choice is the one that aligns with your priority framework. In every scenario, the correct answer is the one that provides the highest level of patient safety. You now have a specific 7-day schedule and a 4-step framework to handle any question. Remember, your goal on exam day is to prove that you can provide safe and effective patient care. To recap the steps we've covered, follow the 5-1-1 schedule, analyze your rationales, highlight your keywords, and use the ABCs to eliminate incorrect options. Start today. Block out your first 60-minute session for tomorrow and commit to your first 20 practice questions. With a clear strategy and consistent effort, you are ready to begin your journey.